Hey guys, so today it's time for me to practice Sidestep because I want to try to eventually beat the Demon Gauntlet. And honestly, Sidestep is probably the hardest level out of all of them, unpopular opinion. Actually, you know what, that might be sort of popular. It might be an over-popular opinion, actually. But I've had it practiced here because I used to deal with this bug at this ship part, and then I found out that it wasn't a bug. You just gotta hit those orbs immediately. So the clicking pattern for that, for the UFO after that, 1, 1, 2, it's not too hard. You got this duel. This duel can be a little bit confusing, I guess, yeah. And sometimes this duel's buggy a little bit. Yeah, like that. Like where one side is closer to the spike than the other. So I'm not planning on actually beating Sidestep in this video, unless I do a major fluke. But I doubt it, because I'm a mobile player, so we have it harder. We got lag issues, and we have to play on 60 hertz, so we have laggier crap, and that's basically what I just said. I don't know why I said it again, but yeah, the next part that I want to practice is this ship part right here. So how about I go ahead and put a start position down right here. And aren't you a mini? I think you're a mini. Yeah, you're a mini. I don't know why I'm not a mini. Is there a port? Yeah, there's a pole somewhere right there. Okay, mini. There we go. So it's not that complicated, but the way it transitions can be complicated. So, yeah. I remember when I died at 97, and I have a bad feeling that's going to happen again. But you don't want to jinx it. It's a little embarrassing having to practice an easy demon like this, but sometimes, you just have to. Nah, wow, that was mean. So the only hard parts I feel like are the beginning ship and the middle ship right here and the last ship. It's always the ship parts that are the hardest when it comes to chase. Dang, why am I dying? Why? Wow. Totally did not even mean to get that coin. So yeah, if I can practice it from here to the end of the level enough times, I'm going to try to get brave enough. Dude, I thought I was upside down. I don't know why I thought that was an upside down portal. But eventually, I'll be willing to go through this hell in normal mode. Why does it think I'm not hitting the yellow? Jeez, that's so annoying. That was retarded. Wow, I'm getting mad at me practicing. Because even this much, I shouldn't even be dying this much in practice mode. Jeez. Jesus Louises. You can't even hold down the button right there either, which is kind of poopy-la-doopy to me. Are you retarded? And then at this part, you got to hit that immediately. And then this ship part at the end is the worst. I remember dying at 97. Jesus. It's so easy to die at the very end. Okay, how about we give it a shot in normal mode. And I had to get a copyable version because I couldn't copy the original. It's not copyable. Not the Death Gauntlet, you idiot. So I'm currently halfway through. We'll give it a shot in normal mode. I'm probably going to die at the first ship because that's like the hardest part anyways. And then I'll go for another round of practice mode. So I'm hoping that I can beat this maybe tomorrow or at least within a week or something. Because Whoa, boy, this is hard for an easy demon, ain't it? Jesus, that part's so trippy. Because you're going fast pace, so if you wait too late, then you'll hit something, and if you go up too early, you'll hit the top slope. So it's a matter of freaking consistency, basically. And yeah, here we go with the drop again. Some of it can be easy, some of it can be super hard and buggy and everything that you don't want. I find getting the coin easier because it takes away the triple spike. Okay, remember? Then you got this dual. You gotta hit each orb individually rather than spamming. Yeah, I knew I was gonna die there because that ship part's probably, honestly, I don't know if the first ship is a shorter segment though, but that part is rather short, or that part's rather long, I mean, compared to the first ship. But, you know, both of them are still pretty hard. It's infamous for that reason. Hey, but that was a pretty good attempt, wasn't it? Dang. 74%. It's like 25% past my old record. Wow. Wow, I didn't hold down long enough. That was a little bit dumb. You know what? It's a little bit late. I guess I should turn on the night mode. Dang it. It's so dark, though. I can barely see with this on. Yeah, 74%. Wow. Surprised I even passed that duel, because that duel can be pretty buggy. Wow. Okay, that spike does not need to be there. So, wow, okay, finally, yeah, that spike is pretty annoying. Okay. So hard to see with night mode on, so I'm just turning it back on normal. Wow, what? Was that a bug, or did I just tap too much? Yeah, I think I'm going to go back for another round of practice because that was honestly a fluke getting to 74. I don't even know how I got there. Because I've done this all in the same night. Yeah, there we go. See that? Okay, now we're back at this duel. Wow, was that a bug? I guess so. That was pretty dumb. Oh, it's about time I died at the first ship. Jesus. I knew that was coming because every time I was surprised that I passed that ship. Alright, well, that was also a pretty good attempt last time. I don't know how I died at the duel. I guess I can go back when I look at the recording of this video. Oh my God. Oh my Jesus. My fingers are getting sweaty. Sometimes it bugs out and doesn't think I'm tapping my screen because oh my Jesus. Now I'm going to start dying at the first ship a bunch now. Jeez. I think that's 74% is all I'm getting for this episode. But yeah. But, geez, man. With my screen protector, it's really... Sometimes it bugs out and thinks I'm not tapping because of that extra layer on the screen. So I got to tap extra hard sometimes. Okay, why are you killing me? All of a sudden, I'm dying at the first ship so much. Yeah, I think we're going to hop back and practice once I die again because, you know, I know it's coming. I know it's coming. Okay, beat drop. I don't have the music on because you wouldn't really be able to hear my voice over the music because it's pretty bad. The music is like 3 times as loud as my voice. Okay, yeah, it's time for another. You know what? No, we don't need practice. Guys, thanks for watching this episode, though. I think I'll just get back to this tomorrow because, you know, it's getting a little late and I'm getting a little tired. But, yeah, once I beat Sidestep, which I'm hoping I can do that tomorrow, maybe the day after. But if I can beat that, I think, what is the next level? Traction or something? It should get easier from there until we get, like, to hell or whatever that level's called. So, yeah. Peace, guys.